Just look at that. Yummy. This is the Big C. I could have gotten the Big Boob, but I wanted cheese, so it's the Big C. Okay, so you're on the dash. I've shelled out $5 for one of those little dashboard suction cup phone holders, since I got tired of sticking my thumb into the camera lens. So I got ketchup on them, and there's people driving around me, parking next to me. Okay, so I wasted $5 apparently. On a stupid suction cup thing, so it's back to the thumb over the camera lens and trying to hold the camera and eat at the same time. So I'm actually in a parking lot, but people are slipping through the parking lot to get to the drive-thru. So excuse the distractions. These are their fries. Yeah. Regular run-of-the-mill frozen fries. Neither a plus or a minus. It just is. This burger's huge and it's dripping everywhere. This may be a huge mistake. Look at that. So, let me try. I don't know. I don't want to drop or spill. Yeah. Anyway, I'm mad about my camera holder. That's a really good char-grilled burger. Their sauce is good. It's got grilled onions. I know I'm looking at my food instead of you, but I'm juggling here. That's a good burger. Pickles, grilled onions. It's all yummy. Someone stopped right next to me for some reason. Anyway, it's really good. I paid the Big C, fries, and an iced tea, almost $16. It's only $8.45 for the burger, which is cheap, especially for what you get, man. That's impressive. But of course, you start adding on, and you pay and pay and pay. They've got an impressive menu. They've been here since 1961, I believe the sign said. I'd like to try their grilled chicken, especially the Greek chicken. I love Greek. Good Greek chicken. Their steak sandwich is what they're most noted for, but that's $20. So it would have been another $5. Actually, $7 with the drink. $8. So $23 for lunch seemed excessive to me. So, fantastic burger, average fries. It's a thumbs up. Easily 4 stars. And, man, that's expensive though. But I'm in the Chicago area and it seems everything is expensive here. I thought California was expensive, and apparently just the gas is the biggest problem. And rents. The rent is too damn high. Anyway, that's what we got. A delicious burger from Booby's in Niles. And thanks for watching. Thanks for bearing with me again. And we'll see you next time. Bye!